It's summertime, it's campfire time, it's s'mores time. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. We're going to take s'mores over the top and make this decadent creamy milkshake. Check this out. We're going to start by prepping our glasses for the milkshake. We're going to go in with 8 graham crackers and we're going to make these into crumbs. So here's a simple method. We're just going to take a Ziploc bag and put them in. Zip it up. And using a rolling pin, we're going to make it into crumbs. You could even do this in a food processor if you wanted. Now this is what you're looking for. And if you don't have graham crackers, you could always use digestive biscuits or even Marie biscuits. And we're going to melt some of our Hershey's chocolate. And we're going to cut the Hershey's chocolate into bits so that it's easier to melt. I'm going to put these in a bowl so that we can melt them down. And we're just going to take a few of these. And we're going to use these later. We're going to melt the chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments. We're just going to break down all the chocolate that is still there with the heat that's in the chocolate already. You don't want to heat up the chocolate too much because we want it a little bit thick. And this is the consistency you're looking for. We're going to decorate the inside of the glass first before we decorate the rim. So we're going to take some of the chocolate on the back of our spoon. We're going to put the spoon inside and now roll it around the glass. Just give it a second dip and put a little more in till we get the full circle. Now let's give it one more swirl on the top. So we're going to dip our spoon one more time and then swerve it around again. Another dip and giving it one swerve. And there's our glass. Since we're making s'mores milkshakes and we want that campfire rustic look, we're now going to go in with a brush. I'm going to dip it into the chocolate and then brush it on the rim. Dipping it and brushing it. We're going to dip only the rim of the glass into the graham cracker crumbs and get that lovely coating on the rim. Now with the chocolate bits that we had reserved, we're going to place them around the rim, and you can place them just the way you like. And I like to place them in different directions to give it a more rustic look. Let's keep the glasses aside while we whip up the milkshake. And no s'mores is complete without some nice toasted marshmallows. We're going to place some in a tray and then we're going to broil them in the oven to get that nice toasted flavor. We're going to keep a close eye on the marshmallows because we want that nice golden toasted look and we don't want them to burn. Wow, these look just gorgeous. We're going to add this remaining chocolate to our milkshake, and so that it does not freeze on us, we're going to add just a dash of milk, microwave it for 5 seconds and then add it in. And now we can add the ganache to our milkshake. Now let's start building up our s'mores milkshake. We're going to go in with 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. And to that we're going to add 2 cups of whole milk. And to get a nice creamy texture to our milkshake, we're going to add half a cup of milk powder. And we're going to add 1 cup of crushed graham crackers. And we're going to drizzle in our ganache. Getting every bit of all that goodness in. I'm going to add about 8 of the toasted marshmallows. Let's bring our milkshake together. And now that our milkshake is ready, let's pour it into our glasses. And look how creamy and delicious that looks. And to take the milkshakes over the top, we're going to go in with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream, drizzle on some of the chocolate ganache, and sprinkle on some of the graham cracker crumbs. And to finish it off, we're going to place a graham cracker and a toasted marshmallow on the top. Oh my goodness! Look at that! And now it's time to give our s'mores milkshake a taste. My gosh! Ooh! This is like heaven on earth. It's so delicious. You've got to try it. And if you want the full written recipe, log on to my website, platingitwithwendy.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon.